Hi, we're RCDOX. This is my super cool winged dragon. This is an inexpensive beginner's plane. And it has a brush motor and a nickel battery. It's designed for people just getting into RC. We're really interested in that and how to get kids into RC. We think that you can learn a lot of MSS goals, NFS goals of STEM in RC. NSF is the National Science Foundation. And STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. And kids can learn a lot flying and driving and stuff that RC has. A kid can learn a lot in that, like me. You don't want to start with those big planes that are like really easy to crash. You want to start with some tough ones that stay together. So we hope that this is one of them, but we know the Wild Hawk is not. Mom, Dads, give your kids an opportunity to get that plane in the air, take them out flying, wrecking their planes, trying to get better. It's worth it. Go benefit from RCDOX!
This is Banana.